Hello, my name is Jim Hughes. I live in Boise, Idaho. I've lived here for about 2 years now. I'm really looking forward to the EdTech program here at BSU. Unlike most of you, I am not an educator, or at least not yet. I come from a media design and production background, actually. Over the years, I have worked with a variety of media to include print, web development, motion graphics, video production, digital photography, and I find that I really enjoy working with all of these different kinds of media, and I like to work with them together. I recently finished my bachelor's degree in corporate communication with an emphasis on media, and along the way I discovered and determined some things about myself that brought me to where I am now. I find that I'm not as interested in marketing, public relations, or entertainment as I am in using the tools of communication toward a more meaningful purpose. That's very important to me. I also determined that I want to work in an academic environment or a nonprofit environment rather than a profit-motivated corporate environment. I've also found that I have a real bent for teaching. I enjoy teaching, I like helping other people learn, and I want to use these different media tools to help people learn and also to support educators with this media to help them in their efforts to help people learn. I did want to go on and earn my master's degree. After moving here to Boise, I sought out BSU's EdTech program, checked that out, and I knew that it was what I wanted to do, and I'm really excited to be doing that now. After graduation, I am hoping to get a position in some capacity working with educational technology, and maybe one day I may teach as well. So I am excited about this program. It's very good to meet all of you, and I'm looking forward to working with you as well. Thank you very much for watching.